everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate outstanding letter FCY report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here, we have to choose AR menu. And select the AROS details under the AR menu. Enter the required details like created branch name and select the COA. And select the organization name. Then click the submit button. Outstanding voucher-wise details will be displayed on the screen. And select the report option at the top of the screen. In the list of report, select the report as outstanding letter FCY report. Outstanding letter FCY report will be reflected on the screen. We can print the report using the print option. This is how to generate outstanding letter FCY report. Thanks for watching.